Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. How are you today? I hope you in good condition. Okay, today we are going to discuss about new topic. But before that, I want to ask you a question. Okay, have you ever imagined but what are you going to do after graduating from this vocational school? Okay, maybe some of you want to continue to study to university and some of other want to have a job. It's okay whatever your choice is, but please think it carefully. If you want to have a job, do you ever think what profession you want to be? Yeah, here I have an example of a profession. Yeah, this is if you want to be an animator, then the work file of animator is producing images, combining picture to create frames, creating storyboard, producing 3D animation, and liaising with client. And if you want to be a market researcher, the work file is design research market, carrying out research, presenting results, writing report, and consulting client. Now let's go to our main discussion is application letter. Yeah, the purpose of application letter or the purpose of learning application letter. First one is the student are able to itemize the social function, generic structure, and language feature from spoken, written, and written text of application letter correctly. Second, the students are able to analyze the social function, generic structure, and the language feature of an application letter briefly. And then the definition. A letter of applicant, which is sometimes called a cover letter, is a type of document that you send together with your CV. Then, if you write your application letter, don't forget to include your CV. The social function application letter has two functional social function. The first one is to apply a job to a person or company in written, completed with structure and format in official style. And then the second, to express the interest in attending or receiving a position. Then the generic structure of the element in the application letter. The first one is heading. Heading consists of person stationery or contact detail, include your address, phone number, and also your email. Then deadline. Deadline is a date when the letter is written. And then insert address. Insert address is consists of name of person or company and address of receiver of the letter. And the second is salutation. The second element is salutation. Salutation is greeting from the writer to reader, such as Dear Mr. Jones, Dear Madam, etc. And next is body of letter. Yeah, the third element is body of letter. The body of letter should consist of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is introduction or subject line, which is show the motivation and the interest position. And then the second, the main body or message of the letter, which is telling about self-promotion, skill, responsibility, and work experience. Yeah, in this paragraph, you promote yourself and show your skill, responsibility, and work experience. And then the last paragraph of body of letter is closing paragraph. In closing paragraph, you tell your expectation. For example, your expectation is to be called for further interview, etc. And the fourth element is complementary clause. For example, your sincerely. And the last element is signature. Signature usually consists of signature and the name of sender. Next, language feature. Yeah, in application letter, you may use many tenses. For example, using simple present tense. For example, I believe my qualifications with this position. The pattern of simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 plus object. And then you may also use present continuous tense. For example, I am writing to apply a position of animator as advertised at Tebu Online on Monday, September 4th. Yeah. Then the pattern is subject plus to be plus verb A. And you may also use present perfect tense. For example, I have enclosed my resume. Yeah. The pattern is subject plus have plus verb 3. And then this is the example of application letter, and let's analyze it. Yeah. Lilis Handayani is the name of sender. Jalan Ayani 389 Surabaya 65151 is the address. April 19, 2009 is deadline. And Mr. Frank Peterson, personal manager, is the name of person. Jane & Co, name of company. Jalan Raya Pandaan 186 Pandaan Pasuruan, Jawa Timur 98502 is the address. And this is colored insert address. All of this, all of them, name of sender, address, deadline, and insert address is part of heading. And then, dear Mr. Peterson, dear Mr. Peterson is colored salutation. This is I'm writing to until position requirement is colored interrogation of the letter. Here you show your interest of writing an application letter. And then the next paragraph, my current position. This is my current position until to meet sales deadline. And next, from Microsoft Office Suite, from my current position until from Microsoft Office Suite, it's colored message of letter. Here you promote yourself and you show your skill, your responsibility, and also your work experience. And then this is the last paragraph. Thank you until by email at lilis@yahoo.com is colored closing letter. You express your gratitude and you express your expectation. And then sincerely is colored complimentary clause, and Lilis Handayani is colored signature. This is our analysis for this example. Okay, that's our explanation today. I hope you understand well about what I have explained to you. See you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.